Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Okay, today we have to learn about worksheet. Okay, we have to solve some questions related from it. Okay, and another question is compare. Question is compare the numbers. Compare. Compare the numbers. Compare the numbers using. Compare the number using greater smaller are equal. I am from Alchem Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Okay, let's come on topic without wasting our time. And the question is 3561, 3561 and 3600. Which one is greater? You know that this number is 1000 places are same in both number, and on 100 place there is 6 and there is 5. So 6 is greater than 5, so we can say that 3600 is greater than 3561. In other words, you can also say that 3561 is smaller than 3600. Okay, and the next number is 1652, 1652 and 700 plus 2 tens, 700 and plus 2 tens. You know that 700 plus 2 tens, that is 720. Okay, and that is 16,052. 720. Okay, and you know that in 720 and 1652, that is 1652 is greater because it has greater place value. Okay, 1652 is greater than 720. The next question is, that is question number 3, 1000 and 1000. 1000 and 1000. You have to tell that which one is greater. 1000 and 1000. That is written in figure and that is written in watts. But both have the same value, 1000. So we can say that 1000 is greater than, 1000 is equal to 1000. Okay, and the next question is rewrite smallest 3-digit odd number. Smallest 3-digit odd number. Smallest 3-digit odd number and smallest 3-digit odd number and smallest 3-digit even number. And smallest 3-digit even number. Okay, that is smallest 3-digit odd number and smallest 3-digit even number. You know that smallest 3-digit odd number is 101. Smallest 3-digit odd number is 101 and smallest 3-digit even number is 100. Okay, so in 101 and 100, which one is greater? You know that 101 is greater. That is the smallest 3-digit odd number. So we can say that the smallest 3-digit odd number is greater than the smallest 3-digit even number. Because the smallest 3-digit odd number is 101 and the smallest 3-digit even number is 100. So 101 is greater than 100. Okay. The next question is rewrite the numbers in ascending order. 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 The numbers are 2413, 5632 and 2519 and 1817. Okay, so we have to arrange in ascending order. That will be, which one is smaller? You know that 1817 is smaller. After that 2519 and after that 2413 and after that 5640. Okay, and the next question is, question number second is, we have to write it 5555 and 5550, and the next one is 5050 and 5005. Which one is smaller in all? You know that 5005 is smaller, so 5500 first we have to write first, and after that 5050 and after that 5550 and after that 5555. The next question is, that is question number third. We have to write it 1959, 1529 and 1259, and the next one is 1925. Which one is greater? Which one is smaller? You know that 1529, 1259 is smaller. After that 1529. After that 1925, and that will be 1959. Okay, and the next question is, rewrite the numbers in descending order. We have to rewrite these numbers in descending order. You know that descending order is number greatest to smallest. So the greatest number is 9998, and after that there will be 9990, and then 1919, and the smallest number is 1870. And in next, which number is greater? You know that 8143 is greater. 8143, and after that 6195, and then 6067, and then 6053. And in next number, that is question number third, we have to write them and write Roman numerals for these Hindu Arabic numbers. Write Roman numerals for these Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, that is for 8, there will be VII. I. V stand for 5 and I stand for 1. 5 plus 1 plus 6, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay, and for 16 there will be XVI. X stand for 10, V stand for 5 and 1 stand for 6. 1. Then 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. And 22. For 22, firstly XX, because X can be repeated 3 times and repetition means addition. 20 and II, 22. The next is 33. So for 30 there will be X, because X can be repeated 3 times and repetition means addition. 30 and plus 3 I, that is triple X, triple I. And the next is write Hindu Arabic numbers for this Roman numerals. That is 1, I stand for 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. And in this number, X stand for 20, 20 or 20, 10 plus 10, 20, and V stand for 5, 25, and Y on the right side means addition. 20 plus 5 plus 1, that is 26, 25 plus 6, 26. X stand for 10, V stand for 5, 15, and I stand for 16, 17, 18, that is 18. And X, triple X stand for 30, because X can be repeated 3 times and repetition means addition, that is 30 plus 5, 35, 36, 37, that is 37. And in this number, round off the numbers to the nearest term. 37 is between 40 and 40, but closer to 40, so it is rounded off to 40. And the next is 85. 85 is exactly between 80 and 90. But when a number is exactly between two numbers, two tens, that we can see it is rounded up to the higher ten. So that is rounded up to 90. And also 25 is exactly between 20 and 40. So it is rounded up to higher 10, 40. 94 is between 90 and 100, but closer to 90, so it is rounded up to 90. Okay, thank you for watching the video. And now, in next video, we will meet with new video and new topic and new thoughts. Thank you.